The CDC is focused on Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson airport and 3 other international hubs as it searches for a new high-risk coronavirus variant. The Omicron variant surfaced earlier this month in southern Africa and has now been found in 20 countries. The Fox Medical Team's Beth Galvin has the latest tonight.
U.S. health officials say they're actively looking for the Omicron variant, sequencing up to 80,000 samples a week right now. But they say it will be another 2 to 4 weeks at least for scientists to try to figure out whether this new variant presents a real threat.
The CDC is stepping up surveillance for the new Omicron variant at Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport and 3 other major international hubs in the U.S., testing incoming travelers and working with the airlines to gather contact information for passengers should a case of the new variant be identified in a traveler.
We are actively looking for the Omicron variant right here in the United States. Right now, there is no evidence of Omicron in the United States. The Delta variant remains the predominant circulating strain, representing 99.9% of all sequences sampled.
The new variant, which first surfaced in early November in Botswana and then in South Africa, carries a very high number of genetic mutations, about 50 of them, that could make it more transmissible and perhaps, Dr. Anthony Fauci says, make the vaccines less effective against this variant. But he says the current vaccines, especially for those who get a booster shot, will likely provide at least some level of cross protection.
We don't know what that degree of diminution of protection is going to be, but we know that when you boost somebody, you elevate your level of protection very high. And we are hoping, and I think with good reason to feel good, that there will be some degree of protection.
Dr. Fauci predicts it will be another 2 to 4 weeks before scientists have definitive answers about how virulent or contagious the variant may be and whether it is able to evade the vaccines and COVID-19 treatments. Until then, the White House is urging Americans to get vaccinated.
More than 100 million adults are now eligible for a booster shot, but have not yet gotten one. Our message is simple. If you were fully vaccinated before June, go get a booster shot today. Getting boosted will give you the highest level of protection from COVID and this new variant.
And the vaccine manufacturers are working on a Plan B, a reformulated vaccine that would address the Omicron variant. But that process and getting clearance for that could take months. For your Fox Medical Team, I'm Beth Galvin.
And